Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel where we uncover the truth behind trending online products and websites so you don't lose your hard-earned money. Today we're looking at a super hyped product, the Waggy AI Robot Dog. It claims to be an intelligent robotic puppy that plays, listens, learns, and obeys. But is it really the future of AI pets, or just another online scam? Let's find out! According to their website, Waggy is a smart AI-powered robot dog that can walk, bark, follow commands, recognize faces, and act just like a real puppy, without the mess or vet bills. They show videos of a smooth, advanced robot dog similar to what big tech companies create, which usually cost hundreds or thousands of dollars. But here's the twist. This Waggy AI dog is sold at a suspiciously low price. And whenever a website claims premium futuristic tech for cheap, my scam radar starts beeping. Let's break down the red flags I found. The entire site uses stock images, copy-paste descriptions, and zero information about who actually manufactures Waggy. Advanced AI robots with facial recognition and smooth movement aren't sold for these low prices. Real robot dogs like these cost way more. Every review on their page sounds robotic or fake. And when you search online, buyers complain they never received the product or got a cheap plastic toy instead. A legit brand will always provide a physical address, customer service number, or at least an About section. Waggy's site hides everything. Most of these scam websites only accept card payments or shady processors, giving you no protection if the product never arrives. People who supposedly bought this AI dog shared that what they received is nothing like the ads. Instead of an intelligent robotic pet, they received a tiny plastic toy with simple lights and beeps. Some say the tracking number never updates. Others say customer support disappears after purchase. This is typical scam site behavior. So is the Waggy AI Robot Dog legit? In my honest opinion, no. This looks like another deceptive online product with exaggerated claims and zero real value. If you want a real AI robot pet, stick to well-known brands, even if they cost more. At least you'll get what you paid for. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me what product or website you want me to investigate next. This is Online Scam Advisor, saving you from online traps, one review at a time. Thank you.